Thank you very much for tuning in. Today, we move to one of the essential branches in pharmaceutics, that is manufacturing. Manufacturing of pharmaceuticals can be in a small or a larger scale. Here, we will consider the second one, and to make things clearer, we will get you a quick yet close look into a pharmaceutical plant to know what happens inside. In addition to managerial departments, there are 5 main sectors in the pharmaceutical plant. They are R&D, research and development, production, QC, quality control, QA, quality assurance, and the warehouse. First is the R&D. This, as its name implies, concentrates on conducting researches to design the formulation for a specific drug substance and the method of producing the formulation by setting the values and parameters that the production sector would equip later to produce the formulation in the larger scale. They also determine or set the appropriate analytical tests for each formulation and product to guarantee they meet their intended requirements. Next is the production, and here where all the magic happens, or where the developed formulations are transformed to the real products using larger scale machines. QC, or quality control, is the sector that runs the tests to make sure that everything is as it's claimed. They test raw materials to ensure its specifications. They also test samples from R&D during the development phase. They also test samples from production during and after the process to ensure the quality during and after getting the final product. Quality assurance. This sector takes daddy's job in making sure that everything and everyone is on the right track. Scientifically speaking, it's ensuring that the plant is operating according to the good practices on all its various levels, or otherwise it rises the rejection or suspension sign. Finally, there is the warehouse. It's where all the raw materials and finished products are stored, or it's where the cycle begins and ends. So, any raw material comes into the warehouse and gets tested by the QC to either go into the R&D or production, and then comes out to the warehouse as finished product that is released to distributors after getting the approval from the QA. Hope you enjoyed this journey. Don't forget to share your comments down below and continue learning through Dr.Ceutica Tube. Stay fabulous wherever you are.